All right. Welcome again, people, to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much. We have the great man himself, Grass Boss Jabari Hilton, in the
Bless
house.
him, bless him.
Jabari, how are you, bro?
Great, great. Just there, I give thanks for life.
Yeah, all right. That sound good. All right. Before we go anywhere, Grass Boss, how you get the name then?
First and foremost, we describe the name there. We have big up Shakes, Davy and Shakes. He used to go KC and they're now. Basically, from a bar, me a vegan, is me ital man, so
yeah,
eat meat and them things. So one bag of grass, me name. So him one day we have a match and he's like, can't find my food, so me I say, yo, my food there. So he's like, I'm going and I say, yo, where the grass there? And then from this up, he just say, yo, say you had the grass boss. And I say,
yeah,
I ate. So big up
it's funny how people get their name in Jamaica.
True.
You always get that ELS and just come some weird.
Yeah.
So like I said, that I know say I always hear research say the persons that will eat more vegetable recover, especially if it's sports person, recover faster than normal person.
Mm-hmm.
You believe that? You believe that is actually true?
Me would actually agree with it because, to be honest, when me get injury, on the rare occasions when me get injury, me not really out for much longer than say a month or so. Even when I broke my wrist, one time when me younger. I come back after like a month, 6 weeks. Never take long for you. So I agree with that.
I think them say it has something to do with cytoplasm because it's thinner, so you recover quicker.
Oh.
All right, so definitely. So we know you play for you. How you start play for the UWI-FC? How you start play for them, and what was the transition from youth from schoolboy football to UWI?
So in 2017, I go UWI, I start UWI, and because me did actually live in England before, me did have to wait until me get like international clearance if can play for UWI, the actual Premier League team. So initially, me did start off a play in the intercal side. So we play against like CMU and them side there, and beat up the one of them. Except for the first year. The first year we lose in the semi-final. I think we played GC Foster. We lose in the semi-final.
Yeah.
That's a hunger game when we start on the bench and we lose. And that's just a message to the coach. Yeah, man, a message to the coach. But joke aside, the year after that we win everything. We never lose a game. And then the year after that again, we never play. Some of the man them were playing in the Premier League, never really playing at the intercal, but the final will come and they win again.
Yeah.
I think it was my third year. Yeah, third year. I started playing for the Premier League side now. So that was what 2019-20 season. That's when I started playing. The same season where I get cancelled for COVID. That was
okay. Now March them time.
Yeah.
So last year the season never finished.
Yeah, never finished.
Yeah. But that's a great transition still because you enter the team basically 2019-2020 season. And then you make your first senior appearance at the national team a year later. Which is in the same year is it? No, it's a year
later. A year after.
A year after.
Yeah.
But that's good transition.
Great.
Good transition. So all right. What I want to know is that what is the most goal you have scored in a Premier League season?
Most goal? Just five alone me get.
Just 5?
Last year, just 5.
And how much games?
Let me try remember. I think how much game we play? About 20 or 22 or something like that.
All right. 5 goals for your first season. Yeah, man, that's a good accountability for yourself.
All right.
So you ever play football anywhere other than in Jamaica? As I said, you have to wait for dual nationality. So you play any competitive football anywhere else?
Not competitive, but they play in the academies in England. So they play at Oxford United and then go Swindon Town. And then after Swindon, when under 18, me never stay for the under 18. So me go West Ham for a year, and then I come out to Jamaica again.
Okay, you have a good fair amount of football experience because even when I spoke to a few other persons based off of what they learned overseas, they said it teach them a bit more on the mental aspect of football than the physical. Is it the same for you?
Yeah, the same thing. And me grew up in that, so at that me know basically the football is more mental than physical. 100 is 90% mental, 10% physical.
I think so. That's true because if you realize talent-wise, everyone is talented.
Yeah.
but who can really drive themselves to do it the week in, week out. And probably you're one of the person who have a mentality like a lion or a Zlatan.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. For real, man. Definitely.
I mean, you have far going then, man. You have really far going. All right, so when you get the call for the international team, the first team, the senior team, which day you get the call and what was the reaction?
Which day I get the call? It was actually the day before we fly out. So
really?
Yeah. So it was a Monday. It was a Monday. Yeah, it was a Monday. We fly out the Tuesday. So Monday, me get a text from my phone. Cause me did work. Cause me work at the school and me work as a cashier in the shop. So me there me get a text. I say, yo, are you up? Me text back and say, yeah, man, I'm up, man. And him just say, get ready to fly tomorrow. He say he's confidential and get ready to fly tomorrow. So I say, all right, cool. Go in my room, just pack my bags them, get ready, and then in the morning 6 o'clock, I go down there.
Yeah, and nervous.
Not really, no. Me never really nervous. Me just excited more than nervous. Me just excited because me like the spontaneity and just you just do things just like that. Me like that.
Yeah, so, kind of man there.
Yeah, man.
Let's get up and do something.
Yeah, so it did fun. It did fun and exciting. But yeah, man,
no
nice.
problem. That sounds good still. That sounds good.
Yeah, man.
So when you meet up with the team, we know say you have to see faces where you only see on TV or you hear about. When you meet up with the team, how you feeling yourself and what your reaction with the other players around you, and who first greet you in the dressing room?
Who first greet me in the dressing room? Honestly, I can't really remember who first greet me, but I think the feeling when we see the man them, like more especially like the man them will play in England, cause I'm mostly English-based player with the team. It just did feel kinda initially it feel a little surreal, cause me I say, well, I'm actually there, so you see me like it.
Yeah.
It start now.
It go on.
It go on now, you see me, but eventually we kinda settle in and get used to it. But a man like Casey Palmer and Mariappa. Me that say Mariappa was probably the first one to talk to me. Like, we stand up and reason about certain things. And then when we go training in the stadium, Casey will come over to me and talk to me again and thing. And the rest of the man, them Hector and them man, they all of them cool, man. So it never really, like me never get nervous or afraid to talk to none of them. Cause all of them cool, And plus most of them, it was their first time as well. So all of we just kind of, get together and just go through the process together.
Our question. Because this is something we like more. I always want to know, like quality. When I see them Monday, where you go against the Liam Moore, the Casey Palmer and them Monday, why difference with them for them quality versus where you play with in the Jamaican Premier League?
Intensity, so the speed of them play, so them play faster. I say it, and also like before you get the ball, them know what they want to do with the ball. So that make them can play faster because them already know. Say, all right, this man stand up over there, so this man there over there, so home can get it to that man there over there. So them know before they get the ball. You see me? That is one thing. What else? Also communication. The man them talk like enough. They talk well, like which is good. Not chat like excessive talking, but them talk about what you need to do on the field. And especially man like Liam Moore, me respect how him communicate with the players them. So he will tell you what you need to do, and that kind of thing. The communication and intensity. That I say is the difference, the main difference.
Yeah, because if you realize that, for example, Liam Moore is the captain for Reading,
Yeah.
So definitely that probably embedded mindset. He must read the information because he must see everything while going. And when I watching game, I was really excited to see all of the players them. And me I look on this, all right, based off of the age bracket, I said this is the right age group. Between the age of 21, 27, 28. You still have the senior experienced players like Mariappa and these guys to come in. But when we look at even Jaden White at age 21, making it, so we look at you guys and said, we're looking to the future. We definitely look to the future. And so for you, since you get the exposure, when you were going on the field, when you got the substitution, you're coming over Andre Gray, I believe. What was it like walking on the pitch, out on the pitch for you at that point in time?
Bro, the most exciting time of my life, I swear. Like, when I go up on the field, you know, me do my little touch the ground and kiss man and thing, and me I say, yo, you know how long me I practice that? And a long time I practice it. Every day I go train in a UE. I always do. When I go up on the field, I go so boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, man, trademark. So when I go up on the field now, me I say, yeah, I eat, man. I eat. That's something feel. Excited.
Yeah. Actually, and probably, you know, most players in their mindset that when they go up on the field, the first thing they want to do, get the first touch right.
Yeah.
Critical,
yeah.
get the first touch right.
Yeah, that was true.
Yeah, you get the first touch right and show say you're on the field for a reason.
Yeah, I think my first touch, I foul me.
Yeah.
Go up on the right and then more they make a tackle and then me take it up and the boy Acosta come cross and just kick me down. Me glad for that still because it kinda, you know, make me feel how the game I play. So me say, alright, cool. I saw the game I play. Alright. Make it take
move into it. I'm see you take it up and start take on 1 and 2.
Yeah, man.
Like that.
Yeah, man, run past them.
My question to you, because I realize you're really, really quick. You know, you're 100-meter sprint at it. Your position, I know say love strike, but is there any other position for the field that you think you do better, or is it that centre forward is the best position?
Honestly, it's really between attacking midfield and centre forward. I started off as a centre forward when I younger, a goal scorer. But then as me get older, I kind of start playing more central and attacking midfield. Because normally in I side them me are the more creative player. So being up front, it's rough sometimes because sometimes you don't have the person to gear the ball. Me that have to sometimes drop and get the ball and create it, or just do it myself and score. So attacking midfield or centre forward.
You know, maybe rough to you because you probably love touchy ball.
Love touchy ball. That's why I say rough up top sometimes. Sometimes you have to go like 10, 15 minutes and touch the ball. Sometimes that we can't manage that sometimes. I have to involve in the game. Yeah, man, yeah. That's how you go in there strike.
That's our run that channel, man. That's our run that channel. But so you're a person, what do you do in spare time? What do you like for your hobby?
Spare time, me listen music, play some FIFA. And because me go to school too sometimes.
Yeah.
Occasionally.
You good for FIFA?
Eh?
You good for FIFA?
Me won't say good, Me just say me can play. Yes, me have little work to do still, but me can play.
Have you play online?
No, me really play online. Me not ready for that.
I see the one me play online.
Oh, every I career mode me really play still. I just that. But yeah, man. Other than that, sometimes do schoolwork. But I really football still. Football is the main thing.
That I love.
Yeah, that I love all day, every day.
You support any team internationally?
Arsenal on my side, man. I go on the same way.
Go on.
Arsenal on my side, man.
And then you say we can have a little discussion for the Gunners level.
Yeah, man. Arsenal on my side.
Alright. So
them give me some hard pain still in the regular. Every season, I was at get my hopes up and I say, yeah, man, I can do something. But every season, they give me something to cry about. But Arsenal on my side, same way. Loyalty.
Think about it now. I have to depend on people YouTube every day. I want me get disgrace, me have to do the same way. I mean, me have now work for football group and them start off of me regular. But
yeah, boy, yeah. I mean, no.
This man disrespect me. I Chelsea fan this me big.
Disrespect. But
even when the Europa League still, I feel like we can show us
we
our
can win too. We can win, man. Can win. Man, they just need to play how they can play. That's all they have to do.
You know, she said, this thing setting up, fixing up. This Europa League thing fixing up. It monitors how me Emery now. It is monitoring.
Free, man.
It fixed. And then we play Man U in the final. They want everything for my Man U go through. And then we want to clash between Arsenal because it's too late. Let me tell you, it's like a script. They write the script. And then I say, all right, Arsenal struggling in first leg.
Yeah.
Or maybe got through the first leg and then struggling in the second leg. And then finally got through. Because it's more excitement.
For real, man. I ain't that that one.
I ain't that thing I write down. But big up, bro. Me glad say Richard and big up as a gooner, a lot of respect. Me know you're supposed to go to a lot of pressure. No pressure. I think you have one. Work to complete for Arsenal, man. Put in the work, man. Put in the work to complete for Arsenal.
For real, man.
After 2 more appearances, people must see you.
That I go.
Put in the work. before me go, me can't miss at all. We discussed it. Messi or Ronaldo. I said, grass boss. But me can't tell the technical ability, Messi.
Yeah, man. Messi. Honestly, me prefer Messi in terms of how he play and thing. Me prefer Messi, but me still rate Ronaldo.
Yeah, rate Ronaldo.
Isn't because me respect two of them just as much.
Me have some friend now. If me say not more, Ronaldo attack me now.
Me know, man. Yo, you have some diehard Messi fans, some diehard Ronaldo. Me can't be like that, man. Cause them man, them will say, yo, Messi can do this and Ronaldo can't do this. But really and truly, the two of them can have them thing what them do.
That's what they are to real Ronaldo fan of them. They will kill him, man.
Yeah, man, they will kill him, man. And this up, man. Me not depend that.
I know they miss man. And the only thing they can use over Messi about international trophy. Anything else, and Messi take it. Everything else.
But how much international trophy him have? No one.
Two
him have.
Yeah, Nation League, and I think they cut the name Euros. Yes, yeah, 2 cups. So a big achievement that's so. Even though never played in the final for Euros.
True.
But a big achievement. Maybe if you didn't play, they wouldn't win.
Yeah, that's true. I know that.
But a big achievement. He did play part and go on the sideline and cheer them on and things. So. But for me, I miss it every time. Goal, everything. There's no way you can play. Watch on your striker, I'm your striker. You play 100 more games than me. I only scored 10 more goals. That makes sense?
No.
That makes sense. Give me the 100 games that you will see.
Right.
And then now, goal contribution in max at all. So, thank you very much, Grass Boss.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man.
So, this is the formal closure.
Give thanks, man.
Big up. A lot of respect. Thank you for coming on. A lot of Reggae Boys fans watch this now. So
yeah,
tell them something. Give them some word of confidence going into the Gold Cup.
You know, say really and truly, all I want to tell them is just keep the faith, and just go and support the same way. Cause we are work hard. You see me, and I just Gold Cup or World Cup. You see me, everything we are go for everything. So just go and tune in. We're there, man.
All right, big up, Grass Boss.
Bless up.